Hi friends, today I'm starting a new vlog series called the 5 Minute Mystics series. Now, for all those who visit my vlog only for book reviews and listen to talks about specific books and areas like history and biographies, you may skip this. Uh, for me, particularly, books are not just an end in themselves, and I believe strongly that all learning eventually has to lead you to a spiritual awakening, to understanding the world around you, and from there self, understanding the relationship between you and the higher powers. For all those who are interested in this, may carry on. Now, I spent 12 long years, okay, reading everything, understanding about everything under the sun, from history to spirituality to everything possible you can name. And you would have seen from the collection of books that I talk about. Particularly in spirituality, I've gone from ancient scriptures, from the Vedas to the Kalidasa to the Mahabharata or to the Upanishads to all the way to modern Indian gurus like Osho and Krishnamurti and Sri M and Swami Rama and you name it. Okay, all gurus possible, Yogananda, and in Western philosophy, I have read everything from the Sumerian texts, Arathura, etc., all the way to modern Western philosophers like Richard Bach and the law of attraction and Alan Watts, etc. But what I finally realized after 12 long years, when it really hit me, it took me all of 5 minutes. And then a concept that I had read in MBA came to me, which is called the elevator philosophy, okay, which says that if you enter in an elevator with, say, a client or a big boss or somebody, and you cannot explain your ideas in 5 minutes, then there is something wrong with the idea itself or the way you're telling it. Then I realized that awakening is actually something which you should be able to do in 5 minutes. This is the whole endeavor that I want to take about. If you feel that you need more than 5 minutes maximum, even if you've forgotten it in a day, if you need to read a spiritual book for hours a day, or you need to whatever religious texts and worship, then probably there is something wrong in your understanding. You need to rewind, go back, and again try it in a different manner, and again try it in a different manner. Otherwise, you will keep going through the same route. You will have bouts of ecstasy, you will have bouts of complete faith, and you will have bouts of depression. You will have bouts of feeling that, well, maybe all is not right in the world. I don't know whether there is a higher power. What is going on? Why is it going on like this? Why are things wrong with me, and why are things wrong with the world? To get out of it, you need to constantly rewind and say, wait, maybe it's a different way. Maybe I should listen to it in a different manner. But the time limit should be that only. That's all that should be needed to connect with the divine. So if you're not getting that connection and it's not permanent, you should rewind and focus on a different approach. I am reminded of a beautiful story in the Mahabharata that I heard once, and it really stayed with me. It's that Dronacharya was teaching the Kauravas and Pandavas a lesson, a simple lesson. Speak the truth. Such bold. And the next day everybody came and he parroted the whole thing. And Yudhishthira came back and said, I haven't learnt it. The next day again he said, I hadn't learnt it. On the third day when he said this, Drona said, get out of my class and come back only when you really understood it. Yudhishthira took more than a week. And Drona was amazed. He was the brightest student. What is wrong with him? Finally one day he came and said, I have learnt it. And Drona said, what took you so long? He said, it was not about parroting the line. I have imbibed it now. Now it will stay with me forever. And that is what you have to ask. When you read a religious text, does the effect last only for a few hours? Do you again go into self-doubt? Or does it remain for you forever? At max, you need to spend just a few minutes every day to kind of get back in the groove. If it is not so, if you take longer, join me in short vlogs, and maybe I can try and simplify and make you experience the same text and the same books in a different manner. Thank you, and join with me and subscribe and like this vlog if you liked it. Thank you.